Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, share this video. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful cap for 1-year-old baby. So let's get started. For this tutorial here I am using multicolor of yarn and also white color of yarn, a scissors, 4mm of crochet hook and also a crochet needle. So let's get started. First I am using multicolor Bentley double knit yarn. So just hold yarn in your fingers. I will show you. Just hold it like this. Next you're gonna make a slip knot. Here I am using 4mm of crochet hook. Now insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb, yarn over and just pull it through the loop. Here we have first loop, you see clearly. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Just yarn over and pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Just repeat same pattern, make total of 70 chain. Here my 4 chains complete. Just repeat same pattern, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over and pull it through the loop until you complete the total of 70 chains. Here my 70 chains complete. Next we're gonna make double crochet stitch. First we skip first 2 chain and double crochet into the third chain, yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Just repeat same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here you see we have double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Just repeat same pattern, make 1 double crochet in each chain below. Just 1 double crochet in each chain below. You see clearly until you complete the total of 70 chains. Here my 70 chains complete. 1 double crochet in each chain below. Now I make the last double crochet stitch. Just yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Now for the next row, first we're gonna make 3 chain and then we will start double crochet stitch. Just yarn over and pull it through the loop. Here my 3 chains complete. Now just turn my work. Here you see we have chain again on top. This is the chain. Repeat same pattern, make 1 double crochet in each chain below, yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, into the second chain. Just yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Just repeat same pattern, make 1 double crochet in each chain below. You see, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Just repeat same pattern, make 1 double crochet in each chain below until you complete the total of 13 row. But just remember, when we make a new row, first we're gonna make 3 chain on top, then turn your work and then we will start 1 double crochet in each chain below until you complete the total of 18 rows. Here my 18 rows complete. You see clearly how look it is. This is the front side of the cap and this is the back side of the cap. How look it is, don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. Next I am going to join both sides. You see clearly in this video. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. For joining both sides, first I am going to make slip stitch. Just insert your hook into the last loop like here and make a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the second side and pull the yarn twice in both loops like this. Here is my first slip stitch. Next I am going to join both sides with slip stitch. Just insert your hook into the chain and pull the yarn twice. Insert your hook, and pull the yarn twice. Insert your hook. You see here we have chain on top. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn twice, insert your hook and pull the yarn twice. Just repeat same pattern until you complete the side and join them together. Don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. I will answer you. Just insert your hook and pull the yarn twice. Just repeat the same pattern of slip stitch until you reached into the end like here and join them together. Here I completely join both sides. You see clearly how look it is and how secure it is. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Next I'm going to join and make the last slip stitch. For making the last, just chain one and pull the yarn over like this. Pull it tightly and secure your work in the end. Here I cut my leftover yarn extra for making the stitches on top of the cap and join them together. For joining the upper part, here I am using the crochet needle. I already insert my leftover thread inside the needle. Next I am going to zigzag attach like zigzag stitch. I am making the upper part. Just insert your hook into the front and just insert your hook to the back side just like this. Here I am making the zigzag stitch on the top of the cap for closing the part like this. Just make the zigzag stitch and join them together and pull the yarn into the end. Just make zigzag stitch. First we insert my needle into the front side and second we insert the needle into the back side, and in the end we pull the yarn tightly and secure it. Just repeat same pattern until you complete this row and reach into the end. Here I complete my zigzag stitches. Now I pull the yarn tightly and close the upper part. Pull it tightly. Next I am going to make the last stitches and secure it. In the last, for my securing work, here I am making a lock. Just insert your hook and pull it tightly like this. Make a thread knot in the last. First we insert my needle and just pull it for closing the upper part of the cap. Next I am going to make a lock. Just insert your hook, yarn over the needle and just pull it. You see clearly. Next I am going to cut my leftover yarn like here. Just cut it like this. Next flip the cap and make sure the neat side are on top. You see clearly how look it is. All the stitches, all the knots inside the cap and neat look on top. Here is my final look of cap. Next I am going to make the pom-pom for the top of the cap. Like here I am going to attach the pom-pom on top. So let's get started and make it. For making the pom-pom, here I am using a white color of yarn and also a small piece of cardboard and also scissors. So just open the yarn and wrap it around your cardboard You see clearly in the middle of the cardboard, hold it and just wrap yarn around it. You see clearly how I wrap it. Just repeat same pattern and wrap a total of 80 times around the cardboard. Here I wrapped 80 times around my cardboard. Just cut it with your scissors. Now cut the extra yarn for making a knot around the pom-pom. Now cut the cardboard into the middle like this. Next I am going to make a knot inside the middle part. Now just cut it extra and insert your leftover yarn inside the cutted part and make a knot for securing your work. Make 2 times knot into the end. Here I already cut my front side and now remove the cardboard like this. This is the difficult part, but make sure you remove it carefully like this. Remove it carefully. Next I am going to cut my second side with my scissors like this. Cut it. I will come back after completing the cut my second side. Here I completely cut it. Now here we have the two big yarn side, and now I am using the big size of scissors and make the shape of the ball and cut the leftover yarn on top. Just make the shape of the ball. Make it carefully, don't cut extra yarn, and complete the look with circle shape like ball shape. Here I completely cut it. Now look how it is. I will come back after removing the excess. This is the final look of the pom-pom. Now I am going to attach it on the top of the cap. Just insert my hook into the cap and pull it outward. Now I pull the first big yarn inside the cap. I will show you clearly. Just pull it with your crochet hook. Here next I am going to insert it from the second side and pull the second yarn inside the cap. Pull it tightly and secure your work in the last. This is the difficult part, so make sure be carefully. Now pull both yarn inside. Next I am going to make a knot inside. Just make 2 times knot and secure your work in the end. If you need any questions about this tutorial, let me know in the comments like this. Now cut the leftover yarn and secure your work in the end. This is the final look of the cap with pom-pom on top. This is the beginner friendly tutorial. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Make your baby warm and beautiful with this beautiful cap. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay with me for the next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.